to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys Walgreens deals. It's actually a pretty good deal. Lot of register reward deals. I didn't see any cash rewards, but I've seen a lot of register rewards. So during the week, you can mix and match and do some deals and get some great things. So the first deal that we're going to do is the Cascade and Dawn. Now, if you look at the ad, there's a lot more other deals. The thing is, they don't have the prices on them, so it was kind of hard for me to figure it out. But once on Sunday, I'm going to try to figure out more scenarios for you guys. But this is the best deal that I found of this register reward, $5 off when you buy 3. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But here we got Cascade and Dawn for $4.99. You want to buy 3 of them, you would pay $14.97. I am not sure if there's any coupons out there, but you end up receiving a $5 register reward. Comes out to be just $9.97 or $3.32 a piece. I don't know if that's the greatest deal, but in case you need some of that stuff, I stocked up on Cascade the other day, which I'm so happy I did because I found out that I had 0 after I just bought some. So I was so excited for that. The next deal we have is the Dial Body Wash. That is on sale for 2 for $7. We are receiving a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. There is coupons that we are getting in this Sunday's paper too, but the paper coupons are a limit of 1. So you end up paying $5 with this digital coupon. There's currently a $1.50 rebate off that bottle right there of the Dial Body Wash. You get $1.50. If you buy the regular body wash, you only get $1 back with Ibotta. So your final price if you buy the antibacterial one is $2, so $1 each, or it'd be $3 if you buy the normal one, making them $1.50 each. So it just depends on what you prefer. But that's a pretty decent deal. I feel like we don't get Dial very often, so I like to get that when I can. The next deal we have is the Crest and Oral-B deal. These are $3.99. We're supposed to be getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Hopefully we get it. I know sometimes I've noticed that we haven't been getting the digitals that they say in the ad. I don't know if it's like an all-month digital or what, but hopefully we get them. You end up paying $6.97 for 3 of them. But then you'll get a $6 register reward, making them just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece. I always say don't pay for toothpaste, but I think 32 cents for toothbrushes is a pretty good deal. I have enough toothpaste, but I always like to stock up on toothbrushes. The next thing we got is Colgate. If you guys did not know this, Colgate has recently changed their coupon limit. You can only use 2 coupons now per transaction. It used to never have really a limit, and then they changed it to 4, I think. Now it's 2, but Colgate is $2.99. You want to use 2 50-cent off coupons from the 411 Smart Source. You'll end up paying $4.98, but then you will get a $5 register reward, making it absolutely free. Now, if you want to do this deal on multiple transactions, you can. There might be also a 50-cent digital if you have not used that from the previous week. There's also coupons that you could print from Colgate. That makes it a little bit of a moneymaker. It's up to you. Now, here's the deal. I didn't figure out any pricing because everything is different. It just depends on what you want. But Rimmel is going to be on sale for 40% off. Some of that stuff can be super cheap. And then they have the 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. So you can get some stuff for almost practically free or super cheap. If you guys prefer any of that kind of makeup, it's a great, great deal. Here we got, and I also forgot to mention, we do have $1 off coupons. I forgot, we have $1 off coupons, so you want to definitely use those up. I had a problem last time I used it, but just make sure to check. Here we got Gillette Shave. Now, if you guys remember the old school bottles that I usually get, those are usually $3.29. I am not sure if that deal is included, but we will see. So they're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off if it is those bottles. You would pay $4.93, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them just 93 cents or 46 cents a piece for those old school Gillette. Otherwise, I was going to try to figure out some other scenarios, but we don't have any coupons for the other ones. The next deal we have is the Renuzits. Now, they're going to be on sale for 89 cents. You want to pay 89 cents, or you want to buy 6 of them, and use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, the digital coupon you will have problems with, like we always do. It'll only take off 1. But if you're lucky and it takes off 2, that's awesome. But there is insert coupons that we are getting also. But you will pay $3.56. you'll submit a $2 off of 6 rebate with Ibotta, making 6 of them $1.56, or you can get each of them for 26 cents a piece. That's a great deal. I always do this deal because you never can have enough. Now here's some 2 deals if you need to do this. We got the Palmolive for 99 cents. There's going to be a 25-cent digital coupon, making them 74 cents. Now these are the smaller bottles. And then they have the tinfoil and the Smile paper plates were actually pretty decent quality for 99 cents. You can either clip that to your cord, or my store sometimes has a printable piece of paper that has that coupon on it. So it just depends on how you want that, but that is a decent deal. We got Kellogg's toothpaste. Oh yeah. Kellogg's cereal is $1.99. We have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. We are also, I think we're getting inserts, or we had inserts, but there is going to be a $1 off of 2 digital. You'll end up paying $2.98 or get them for $1.49 a piece. It just depends on how you want to do that deal. The next deal we have is another Crest or Oral-B deal. Now this is a little bit different than the other one, but they're going to be $3. We do have $1 off coupons for the Crest toothpaste, I know for sure, and I'm not sure what will pop up in for digitals, but we're just going to use those $2 off coupons. You end up paying $4 for 2 of them. You'll get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely for free. So if you wanted to use this register reward to do the Colgate deal, you could. You just might need to have a filler item. Here we got the Scott's toilet paper. Now this is the deal of the week. These are always $5, but there is a thing saying that Kimberly-Clark is raising their prices. So I have a feeling these might be $6 whenever they start raising their prices. But right now they're $5. You want to use $2.50, or you actually, it depends on what you want. There are 50-cent coupons from the scottbrand.com. There's also coupons from the Kleenex website. So it just depends on how you can get those coupons printed. But then there is also a $1.25 Walgreens booklet coupon. You get them for $3.25. Plus, you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you'll get bonus points. I like submitting my receipt to Fetch Rewards for Walgreens more than CVS, because CVS I don't get always the full credit that I like. Walgreens you do, because the coupons always show up at the bottom of the receipt. Here we got the Tide and Downy for $2.95. Now, usually they do this deal all the time where it's just $1 off digital coupon. Here they're trying to make it look like you're saving some more, so they want you to buy 4 of them. You'll pay $11.80, but then you want to check and see if there is any digitals. I think we are getting Tide Simply coupons. I'm not 100% sure, but if you do, that's awesome. It'll be a little bit less out of pocket. You will receive a $4 register reward when you buy 4 of them, making them $7.80 or $1.95. So like I said, they're trying to trick you here, thinking you're getting a good deal, and it's a deal that we always can do. Maybelline, it's going to be, it depends on what you want. I kind of just chose this eyeshadow. I think online it showed that it was $3.50, but you can mix and match however you want. There is a couple different digitals that you can choose from. There is no digital for that eyeshadow, but depending on what product you're looking at, it will vary. But let's say we're just going to use it for the eyeshadow. You're going to buy 2 of them. You will pay $7. You will receive a $5 register reward, making them $2 or $1 a piece. But like I said, definitely check your digitals. Check what you have clipped to your cards so you guys can save even more money. The All or Snuggle, I do know we're getting all coupons. They're going to be on sale for $2.99. You want to use a $1 off digital coupon or one of your insert coupons, however you want, making them just $1.99. So those are the deals that we are getting this week. I think it's going to be an awesome week. So I'm really excited to go couponing this Sunday because of the awesome deals. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you Sunday. Thanks for watching. See you guys later, and bye-bye.